Hi everyone, good evening and I warmly welcome you to Vayalil Capital, the financial superstore market updates. Market close. Benchmark indices regained some of the previous session losses and ended higher with Nifty above 11,850 supported by the Bank Nifty and pharma names. At close, the Sensex was up 376 points or 0.94% at 40,522 and Nifty was up 121 points or 1.03% at 11,889. About 1,249 shares have advanced, 1,354 shares declined and 178 shares are unchanged. Kotak Mahindra Bank, Shree Cements, Nestle, Asian Paints and Bajaj Finance were among the major gainers on Nifty, while the losers were TCS, Infosys, ONGC, Wipro and Gail. Except IT and PSU Bank index, all other sectoral indices ended in the green. BSE Midcap and Smallcap indices ended higher. Now, let's move on to performance of Indian indices today. Sensex went up by 376 points to close at 40,522. Nifty 50 went up by 118 points to close at 11,886. Bank Nifty went up by 692 points to close at 24,768. Nifty Midcap 100 went up by 216 points to close at 17,226. Nifty Small Cap 100 went up by 16 points to close at 5,948. Let's have a look into commodities and currencies. British pound trading at rupees 96.02. US dollar trading at rupees 73.70. Brent crude trading at $40.77. Gold MCX trading at rupees 50,805. Silver 1 lot trading at rupees 62,019. Bulls took center stage today, led by financials as Kotak Bank led from front buoyed by MSCI review. Afternoon trade witnessed FMCG taking control ably, supported by cement stocks. Broader markets also saw participation across select countries. After going below the crucial point of 11,750 in early hours of trade, the Nifty swiftly flew past the 11,850 level and closed above it. The index need to cross 11,900 to 11,950 in order to generate early buy signals. And thereafter, we can expect the index to achieve 12,200 to 12,300. Breaking of 11,700 would indicate a fresh wave of sells which could drive the index down to 11,400 to 11,450. Markets witnessed a decent rebound after the slide in the previous session. The benchmark initially inched lower, but healthy buying in the banking and financial stocks led to a strong recovery, which later joined by others. Consequently, the Nifty index settled at 11,889 levels, up by 1%. The broader markets indices saw healthy buying and entered in the range of 0.6 to 1.6%. The rebound in Nifty indicates that prevailing consolidation phase will continue and we might have to wait for the next directional move. Meanwhile, markets are offering trading opportunities across the board and traders should proactively manage this position in such a scenario. Investors, on the other hand, should not give much weightage to the short-term price fluctuation and maintain their focus on accumulating fundamentally sound stocks on dips. The forecast of higher FII inflow to India based on MSCI report by raising investment limits helped the market to strongly outperform despite a weak global market. The sustenance of such a trend is low given increasing concerns over worsening spread of the virus in Western world, which has weakened their markets for further correction. Indian market is expected to follow with an increase in volatility in coming days as we are heading closer to US election and more economic restrictions due to devastating rise of COVID cases. Before winding up, I would like to remind you about our wealth management fund, wherein you can invest rupees 10 lakh and get 10,000 dividend every month. Likewise, you can also invest rupees 5 lakh and get 5,000 dividend every month. Since we are paying TAN, dividends are absolutely tax-free for you. And there is only 1 year locking period for this option. and all the documentation process is done online. So, happy investing! There is no secret to success. It's a result of preparation, hard work, and learning from failure. That's all for today. This is me, Tirtha, signing off. Thank you and have a great day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe our channel.